A cheese ball might be retro, but there's a reason it's in the hors d'oeuvre Hall of Fame. It's creamy, dreamy, and extra cheesy. And we say it's a holiday party staple. Dina Driggs has not one, not two. She's brought us 6 new cheese balls to add to your holiday snack spread. And what I love about these, a lot of things, but you have to make them in advance, which is fantastic.
I love that. And it's so great because usually when you're entertaining, you've got so much that you have to do at the last minute. And this is something you can just pull out of your fridge and set it up, and it's gorgeous.
Okay, so we said you brought us 6.
Okay, let's go.
Give me the quick overview.
Okay, here we go. So the first one, this is a bacon ranch.
Yum.
And it was so fun because you just take a bunch of really finely grated cheese, put it in a saran wrap, and then you just wrap it around and smash it, and then you use kitchen twine.
Yeah. To make it look like a pumpkin.
Yes, and this is just a nice little bell pepper.
Darling.
So fun. This is an orange cranberry, which is so good. I just loved everything about that with cheddar cheese. This one is so fun, isn't this?
This is darling with pomegranates all around it. Okay.
Pomegranates, and it looks like an ornament, and so perfect for the holidays. And then we've got a jalapeno popper with bacon and cheddar and all those yummy things.
A little spice to it.
Oh, so yum.
Delish.
And then we've got dessert ones, which is such a fun thing.
Never even thought of it.
Yeah, this is a, push that one in.
So cute.
That one's got oatmeal and peanut butter, and it's got chocolate chips inside, and it's just so much fun. And then the chocolate one is, we're gonna make that one today.
Okay.
It's a chocolate dessert, and it's basically, these are basically cookie dough.
I've never made a dessert one, so I'm interested to try those, but you're going to start us off with something most of us may not be doing, roasting garlic.
Yeah, and that's what you want for these, you want these for the balls, for the cheese balls, is because it's just so nice and pliable, and so let's go to do that first. I'm gonna have you take one. And there it is.
So that's what it looks like when it's done?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're gonna take you and show you how to get here, but this is what's so fun. If you have kids, they're always saying, oh, that's so satisfying.
Ooh.
Okay, you ready?
It's like popping a pimple.
Yes, yes, okay, you're gonna do it.
Okay, I'm trying to keep my foil on so I don't get all gross, but.
You don't have to.
I can't do it.
Okay, well, if you don't want to, that's okay, because you don't want to get your hands
Oh, there we go,
on
there's one.
Ooh, here it comes.
Yeah, that's satisfying. That is satisfying. So your kids could help with that part.
Oh, and the thing about it is it's so easy to do. So it's basically cutting off the tops of your garlic bulb.
Okay.
And you're gonna set it in. I'm gonna give you one right here too. We're gonna set it in there. Oops, sorry, I'm gonna go right in front of the camera.
What are we pouring?
This is just olive oil.
Okay.
This one happens to be a little bit of a garlic flavor to it, but you can
add
just
to it.
Yeah, you can just use anything you want.
Delicious.
Yeah, and then we're gonna grab the salt and pepper.
Just a little salt and pepper.
Yep.
Is this a twist off or a pop off?
It's a pop off.
Okay, I can't do it.
You're fine.
Who said I was good in the kitchen? Nobody.
You're great. Okay, turn it upside down, and we're gonna grind it.
Okay.
We're gonna give a little pepper.
A little pepper.
And a little salt.
Salt, delicious.
Yes, and then you just fold these up and make these beautiful little tents with them.
Okay.
And
tight?
Yeah, you want it tight because it's going to steam inside. So it's just like a little Hershey kiss. You're gonna put it on this, we're gonna take it, we're gonna throw it in a 350-degree oven, and we're just gonna bake it for 40 minutes, and they come out soft like that.
Okay, let's make one.
Okay, let's go. I'm excited.
Me too.
Okay, so we always start with cream cheese because that's just the best.
Room temperature?
Yes, always room temperature because it just beats up so well. Okay, and we're on TV, so we don't have as much time.
Yep.
This is goat cheese.
Goat cheese, so throw the whole thing in?
Yep, throw the whole thing in.
There you go.
This is white cheddar.
The whole thing?
Yes.
A lot of white cheddar shredded up.
And then we've got roasted garlic.
We know how to make that now.
Okay, and we've got a little bit of Worcestershire.
Worcestershire right there.
And this is what makes it delicious. It's the ground up rosemary, fresh rosemary. Oh, I didn't mean to get that on you.
Right.
So sorry.
I mean, it already looks and smells good.
Do you want to go?
Yes.
Okay.
And we're just gonna blend that till
Yes, you're just gonna blend it. Yes.
Fantastic.
And when it all looks like it's all come together, you can turn it off.
Okay, I think it's pretty
There
good
we
for
go.
TV.
Yep. And then we're gonna take that and you're just gonna lay out a piece of saran wrap, take all this, put on top of it, and then you bring up the saran around it.
So you don't even mold it with your hands?
No.
Okay, and stick it in the fridge?
Yes.
Okay.
Put it in the fridge. Okay.
Yum.
So that was our roast. This is actually what we've got right here with the ornaments.
And then, you covered it with
and you cover it with the pomegranates.
So cute.
So much fun. Okay, this one is, this is seriously my family's favorite. We just made this one up when we were getting ready for the show. Okay, we're gonna start with a little cream cheese.
More white cheddar, or what is that?
That's white cheddar.
More white cheddar.
And this is parm.
Yum.
So we've got white cheddar and parm. Once again, we're using our trusty roasted garlic. And we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of green onions. And then this is what's gonna make it oh so nice and creamy.
Sour cream?
Yes.
Okay.
And the fun thing about this one is this one isn't really a ball. It's super soft when you do it. So this is more of a cheese ball dip.
Okay, more of a dip.
Yes.
But still, are we sticking it in the fridge?
Yes.
Okay.
Always stick it in the fridge. Okay.
We'll have details. We're just showing you
all the
basic
recipes.
overall.
You bet. All the recipes are available. Now this is our dessert one, which is so fun. I need that again. Okay. We're gonna stick our new.
I love that all of these just start with a big old block of cream cheese, though. That's what makes it so good.
Okay, so we've got that going. We're gonna add in butter.
Whoa.
So like I said, this is like...
You're gonna want that room temperature too.
Yes, and we didn't quite get that one.
Okay, we'll pretend it's mixing in there.
Yes, and this will make it softer as well. So we're gonna add in a little bit of powdered sugar.
That's great.
This is the secret ingredient, which is
cocoa.
Brownie. No. Oh. This is a brownie fudge mix.
Okay, brownie fudge mix.
Yes, and as you start to do this, you'll see it'll start to come together, but it's gonna get all nice and creamy, and it's just gonna be dark. See, there it comes in the bottom.
It might take a minute, and if you had softer butter, it would be easier.
Of course.
Okay, you're going to add chips just for
We're gonna add chips, and then we'll put it all, this one, of course, you wanna put in the saran wrap again, and you wanna make it nice and cold and keep it in the refrigerator. And that's what's going on right there we've got the animal crackers and the Nilla wafers and the graham crackers. So fun.
Okay, you can tell Dina is full of ideas, more than we have time for here, but I know people are going to want more, so where are we finding you?
You can find me at dinasdiner.com, and that's where my website is, and all these recipes are there. You can also find me on Instagram at Dina's Diner, and I'm on TikTok, and I'm on Facebook and Pinterest.
And you're all jealous because you wish you were here cooking with her, but I got to this time, and thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So fun.